You pressed your face against it last night, and the night before that, and the night before that. But here's what most people never stop to think about. Your pillow has been collecting something, quietly, invisibly, every single night. Every time you sleep, your body sheds skin cells. It releases sweat. It breathes and absorbs and settles, all into the same pillow. But the strange part is, most of that buildup is completely invisible to the eye. Studies suggest that a standard pillow can host millions of dust mites after just 2 years of use. Not because your home is dirty, simply because you sleep. What most people don't realize is that invisible buildup doesn't stay in the pillow. It reaches your skin, your airways, your sleep cycle. Allergens from dust mites are one of the most common triggers for nighttime congestion, skin sensitivity, and restless sleep. And here's what shocked sleep researchers. Many people treating their insomnia never once consider the surface they're sleeping on. We wash our sheets, we wash our pillowcases, but the pillow itself? Most people never wash it at all. Not once a year, sometimes not ever. And this is where things quietly build up, year after year, night after night. There are signs. Most people just never connect them to the pillow. Waking up with a stuffy nose, skin that feels irritated in the morning, eyes that feel heavier than they should, a sleep that never quite feels restful. These aren't random. These are patterns. The good news? This is one of the easiest things to fix. Most synthetic pillows can be machine washed every 3 to 6 months. A hot wash cycle helps reduce allergen buildup significantly. Pillow protectors, worn under the pillowcase, create an additional barrier. And sleep researchers generally recommend replacing your pillow every 1 to 2 years. A cleaner pillow isn't a luxury, it's just good sleep hygiene. Here at Ava Health Nexus, we believe the smallest habits hold the biggest secrets. And sometimes, the things closest to us are the ones we notice the least. If this made you think twice about what you're sleeping on tonight, you're not alone. Subscribe for more health insights like this. And drop a comment. When was the last time you washed your pillow? We read every single one.